Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to load a Bostitch stapler. These will be easy instructions for loading a Bostitch stapler just like this one. So let's get right into this awesome tutorial video. Okay, so these are the easy instructions. First and foremost, this is the Bostitch in-power desktop stapler, and I'll be demonstrating how to load a Bostitch stapler with this one. But you can pretty much take these instructions and apply them all around the map with most Bostitch staplers. Let's get into this. So what you want to do is you want to open the stapler apart, okay? So you're going to load the staplers in, you're going to load the staples in this part, not the staplers. This is the stapler. You're going to load the staples in this part of the stapler. That's much better. Load the staples in this part of the stapler. So to do that, you're going to open this up. You're going to separate it, okay? Now, when I do that on this one over here, you can see that that part springs out. So you want to do that and make sure if you're loading staples and there's no staples in there, then you can do it in any orientation. But if there are already staples that are still in there, make sure you're doing it like this because you don't want them to fall out, okay? So I'm going to take these staples out so I can load them back in. So I'm just going to put them in my hand over here. So as you can see, this part has popped out. You're going to load the staples in this part right here. Okay, so you're going to want to load the staples in the same orientation as this, meaning you see how it sort of goes down, across, and up like that? Down, across, and up. You're going to want to take the staples and put them in the same orientation, down, across, and up like that. You want the gap to be sort of facing the bottom part of the stapler. Okay, if you can imagine that, okay? So just like this, take the staples, just like that, okay? And I'm going to go like this. I'm going to put them in here like this, and I'm going to slide them all the way across. And I'm going to do the same thing. I just have like this sort of separated. So I have an extra little piece right here. Take them like this, okay? And put them in like that. Slide them like that. When you're done, all that you got to do is press this in and you're good to go. Close it up and it is ready to be used. It is loaded. That's it. That is how to load a Bostitch stapler, an easy tutorial with simple instructions. Hopefully you liked it. If you liked this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.